yes, I know it's a tripod, and yes, I know this is a tech channel, and tripods are not tech, but they do have a lot of tech that sits on top of them, like my cameras, and we will be testing it. Now, this can hold up to, apparently, 11.1 pound or 11 pound. We will be testing how much you can actually hold, or up to that limit using my camera, that one now. That is a Black Magic Pocket 6K camera, and it's quite heavy, especially with the lens on it and all the other bits. I will show you in a bit once we do the unboxing. Now, this is from NEEWER, and it is a, it says there, NEEWER Basic. Link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. It will be affiliated probably, but it doesn't cost you any more money if you click on my links. It just helps me with a little kickback. So I'm going to get her out and see exactly what you get for your money. And yeah, we are definitely going to test it. Now apparently it also comes with a little mount for your actual phone. Yeah, apparently you can mount it. Now one thing it doesn't come with, and that is a handle for moving it about. So you might find that a little bit disappointing. You may not. Let's get her out anyway. Come with a little case as well. Yes, this has been designed to be lightweight, although it feels quite heavy, and portable. And yeah, with the little handle as well, it should be quite easily to port or transfer anywhere. Yeah, put that over your shoulder, and away you go. NEEWER. Yes, and they did send it to me, just in case you're wondering. You should know by now, unless you're new to my channel. Right, so we have some Allen keys. I wasn't expecting that, I can tell you that for nothing. Don't want that. Instructions. Yes, I will double check the instructions. Warning, this product is not suitable for children's use. It's not a toy, basically. Alright, to be warned. We have the mount. Like I said, this is for your phone, apparently. Yeah, interesting. I wasn't expecting, well, I was expecting it, but I'm not sure how that exactly works. And the tripod. Now, the reason I agreed to do this is not just because I wanted another tripod, which is very nice, but I want to actually use this tripod in another video that I'm making at the moment, where it holds that camera. Like I said, that camera is quite heavy, and I want to move that camera from where it is now and put it on this tripod for another video I'm doing. Right, so it has adjustable feet, so you have 3 locking mechanisms for different lengths, and you can lock them in any position you like. Yeah? Like so, job done. Yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy when you've done it before. Ding, ding, ding. Should be quite easy to pull them out, which it is. Voila. I'm not sure where that goes. I imagine it goes maybe, I imagine it goes on the leg somewhere, I'm guessing. So I will look into that in a bit. So let's close up a bit. We have a ball head. So you have plenty of adjustment. Let's see if I can show you. So you can tilt it like that with your camera on. Yeah, I will try it like that, but I will be a bit nervous. Yeah. Make sure you do this up tight. That comes undone quite easily. Allows you to put your actual camera on, do it up again, and it shouldn't, in theory, move. Like so. Like I said, it doesn't actually come with a handle, so you might be disappointed because you might be thinking, well, why ain't it got a handle? It doesn't come with one. This would be for turning that, I think. Yeah, so the bottom part, see that? Do this one up, and she won't turn, but that bit will. Do that up, and that will stop that turning, or make it very difficult to turn. There you go. And this one, like I showed you, is for actually moving the head, although it's quite stiff, even when it's undone. And tighten up. Now, at the time of making the video, this cost around about, or just under £50. So, like I said, link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. nicely made, good material, doesn't feel like there's any sharp edges, which is very nice, that means it's quality, and it's even got the model number actually on it, TP12, NEEWER TP12. Right, I'm going to move that camera and set her up on here somewhere, well actually on the floor, yes, using that camera, this tripod, and we're going to tilt it down and see if she falls off. I will be ready to catch it, just in case it does. Right, so my camera weighs approximately 38 kilograms, or about 38 pounds, believe it or not, with all this on it, of course. So we have a teleprompter, a tablet for writing to screen up to there, a monitor so that I can see what's in focus and what's not in focus, and the actual camera, which is the Blackmagic Pro. So what I'm going to do, I've already got a mount on now. I'm going to take that one off and use their mount. Now I wouldn't try this at home because you might lose a good camera, but for the video we are going to give it a test. And that feels secure. Now I'm going to tilt it. Like so. And that seems to be holding it just fine. Yes, I know I haven't got that bit on. I'm going to put it on in a second. Turn this around actually. And do that again. And turn that around so that the ball joint is in the right place. Like I said, I wouldn't trust it, but just for this video, we're going to take a risk. So I'm going to put it about there. It should hold it. And voila. Yeah, and that is quite rigid. So I'm quite impressed with that actually, because I wasn't expecting it to actually hold it, but it does. Ideally, I want it something like that, and probably a bit lower as well. But I just wanted to see how good she was. And yeah, it's quite impressive actually. Now, I did say to you about the actual add-on. Let me get this off. Oh, I'm actually using it right now. Now, I did say I thought the attachment for the phone went on the legs. It doesn't, it goes on top. And I'm going to show you right now. So, the way this works is, let me just quickly show you. You take this off. Yeah, like so. You can attach it to that or to that, so this can come apart as well if needed. So we're just going to attach it to that. So, can be a little bit on the fiddly side. So make sure you do it up nice and tight. Yeah, you may need to put an Allen key there to make it really tight, but I wouldn't over tighten it. And that will go in there something like that. Do that up. So let me lay it down so I can show you. Your phone, now I've already adjusted this for my wide phone. Do that up. And voila, that will hold it in place. Yeah, see that? Now, one of the things I didn't point out to you was the spirit levels. So you've got one there to make sure it's level, and also you have, where's the other one? On there. See that? Or water bubble, whatever you want to call it, for lining it up. And that, as you can see, is rigid. That's not going nowhere. But like I said, you can disassemble this even more. You can take that off, or turn it if you need to turn your phone. Now, if you can't turn it because you've got your phone in the wrong place, so again we're just going to move that up a bit, do that back up, so you've got vertical or horizontal. Do that up, and voila, perfect. See that? There you go, easy peasy, lemon squeezy when you got all the answers. And that is it, very simple, easy to use and easy to understand. NEEWER, link in the video description below. And the Allen keys are for tightening up the legs or loosening them up, depending on what you need. And there's a little Allen key there. See? That's what the Allen keys are for. I was quite impressed that it held my camera because I really didn't think it would hold it, because I've used tripods before where they have weight limits, and normally if I put that camera on it, it doesn't hold it. But this one did. So that is impressive considering the weight of everything that was on there. Yeah, I was quite impressed with it. So I'm also impressed that that is quite easy to set up as well. So this will be perfect for a beginner or even someone advanced as well, because you know it works. Yes, it doesn't have a handle, but sometimes you don't need a handle. You just need to put the camera in a certain place and leave it alone, like that one there. Yeah, that one there, that tripod I'm using at the moment, that doesn't have a handle. It just sits there all day long, minding its own business and just working. It definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for a tripod to start with and you're looking for a quality one, this could be it, because it is quality. Yeah, it feels really nice. There's no sharp edges on it. It comes with some Allen keys for you to do any adjustments. As time goes on, things do get, or do tend to get, a bit loose. And yeah, perfect. Easy to adjust. You've got loads of adjustments. Adjustments there. You've got another one there. You've got your tilt one, which is that one there. And you've got your little water bubbles as well to tell you when it's level. So you know it's dead straight or that way, depending on which way you want to go. And as always, link in the video description. Now, if you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing and clicking on the bell for notifications. And give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.